AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about Australian dollar against US dollar. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video, you'll find some links. It says join free Telegram channel. So go and join Telegram if you earn some free signals every now and then. Then check out the brokers on the platform right here. Sign up with these brokers, open a separate account if and when you are going to trade with my signals and with my signals in that account only. So subscribe, like, check out these links, join Telegram. Coming back to the chart, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are pushing up this week. In last 2 days, we have been going up. So yeah, if you come back to daily chart and then if you go and watch my yesterday's AUDUSD video in which I told you about this candle that we have a rejection, long wick buyers came into the market and pushed the candle up. So we closed just here. So now this could be a two-way thing. Okay. All right. So yeah, because we have broken below, so this could nearly be a pullback and that we might continue the downtrend. So for example, this was the downtrend pullback, then we might go down. Okay, so when to enter long, when to enter short in daily. In daily, if this high is broken, that will be the continuation of the uptrend. That's how you can figure this out. Okay, so if this low is broken, that will be the continuation of the downtrend. If this high is broken, that will be the confirmation of the continuation of the uptrend. Okay, what's our entry? Entry should be in 4 hour. Okay, in 4 hour we created a new low, but then we have broken above this previous high. So if you watch my yesterday's video in which I told you in 4 hour, if this high is broken, then that will be the continuation of the uptrend and take a long entry after the pullback. So candles have closed well above for 4 hour, well above the EMA in 4 hour. Okay, so we are right now overbought. The entry is quite simple. Use your fib levels from here till here and then wait for the pullback now because dollar has been dead since last 2 days. Dollar has been going down. That's why Euro, GBP, AUD, they had been going up since last 2 days, since they attacked Iran bonds and everything. Dollar has been dead since last 2 days. Okay, so the dollar, forget about dollar. So AUD is overbought right now. You have to wait for the pullback. Wait for the pullback, then wait for the blue confirmation candle, and that's where you will go long. Okay, this high is broken. This means this is the continuation of the uptrend. Pullback, blue candle, enter long. That's your entry. This is the analysis for NZDUSD as well. So I don't record separate videos for NZDUSD. If you trade NZDUSD, you can use the same analysis and you can open trades on NZDUSD as well based on this analysis. So if you like what you see, subscribe, like, share the video, join Telegram, and check out the brokers. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Take care. Take care.